I did! I'm so excited! Have you ever tried tip layering? If you haven't, it's really fun. So I'm going to show you in this video how to do it. All you do is take a low growing branch, score it with a knife or a shovel, and bury it. It will root on its own. It will give you a whole new plant that you can move around into your yard. So let's get to it. Gotta see my mountains. Anyway, I want to show you how to tip layer this lilac and propagate it again. Get it to root and move it to another spot in my yard. So we're going to come down here. So if you look at this section, my dog's, Patches especially, he likes to dig on things. He likes to bite and scrape. So the branch is basically already ruined. And this one too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these branches that are really low on the plant. I'm going to bend them over, and then I'm going to just score a little bit of it. Bury it, put the rock on top, and then wait. It's going to root on its own. So hopefully this rock is not a challenge for my dog Patches, because he moves rocks around everywhere in my yard. He's just a silly dog. So come down here. So see how this one's already bendy? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scrape. I'm going to scrape this side, so I'm kind of doing it crooked, but that's okay. I'm just going to scrape. Do you see this? Do you see how I took some of this and scraped right there? So then I'm just going to bend it, bury, and I might have to get a whole lot more here. And then I'm going to move the heavy rock on top like that, and hopefully my dog doesn't move it. And eventually, like you saw in the other one, it's going to send up a whole new plant over here. And then you'll be able to cut it off the mother plant, and it will be its own plant. So I'm going to do this again to 2 more branches, and then we'll check back on it and see how it does. So I want to show you an example of tip layering that I did a couple years ago. And let's see if it has rooted, which it sure looks like it has, because it looks like it's put on a whole another plant. So what I did is, this is my purple lilac, and I'll put a picture on the screen. It came off of here. So I took the branch that was low a couple years ago, so I might have to, we're in January. I don't know if I can even get this rock up. Okay, so what I did is I took the branch and I put it under this rock, okay? And then I laid it just down there, so a little bit was showing, and look what it's done. It's put on a whole new lilac bush. So as soon as I can work the ground, I'm going to move the rock and see where the branch was. But this was my first time trying it out. So now I want to try it on the Sensation lilac that is just so gorgeous. This is a Sensation lilac, and I still have not seen it bloom. But look, it's already got a branch really low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover that little area right there with wood chips and with some bricks to hold it down. I am going to score it a little bit to wound it, and we're going to get a whole new plant. I do have quite a few buds at the tip. The branch was pretty low to the ground, so that wasn't too hard. So wood chips, I scored it, wood chips, and a brick on top. Now that you've learned how to tip layer, go try it. Go try it on everything. I've done lilacs that rooted, and I've tried it on roses. I've tried it on the Weigela bush. I've tried it on raspberries. There's so many things to try it on. If you've had success doing this, please leave me a comment. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.